this is the wrong one. Yeah. Hello everyone. Is bitluni there? Okay, here we go. Thanks. Hello everyone. Thanks for waiting. I'm a little bit too late today. Hello Split. Hello Adam, Tech, Christian. M40K, Jako or Jaco, Anna, Jordi, and Johnny, and then we had Adam already. Okay, and all the lurkers. What? Crashed at 5 minutes? Wait, what? I didn't stream for 5 minutes yet, so I don't believe it crashed. Okay, so I'm a little bit tired today, and I can't stand another stream of this thing. It was always what is a failure so far. I think that has to be done like concentrated with like not on stream. So I need to finish that off stream. Even though you probably wanted to see the mega cluster working here on stream, but that doesn't work. I have this other thing going on. I mean, I showed it before, the VGA thingy, and we have like 800 by 600 resolution at 16 bits. A micro, no micro mouse. This is too fancy. The precision that we need to build a micro mouse or whatever that the thingy is from Veritasium is like extreme, to say at least. Okay, I need to free that up. So what I'm building right now is a bird, and I will show you. So you are confused what you can see there on the nom cam, and I will show this to you. But I need to switch the lens because otherwise I won't have a zoom. And here, where is this? Where's this thing? Desktop. Okay, here we go. Okay. This is the makeshift DIY breeder. Oh wait, I need to be in manual mode. Sorry. I hope it didn't break. Come on. Do I need to reactivate that? Wait a second. I needed to change the mode of the camera, and now probably have to. Yeah, here we go. Okay. That's a breeder, and I will switch the lens so we can zoom out. This is how you see it without the lens. Okay, whoop. Show my mess. Yeah, that's an old Prusa with a broken print head. It's jammed, and the PTFE tube is, I think, broken. So, and you can see we have 60 degree C bed heat, and you can see here this is the power supply also on the thermal camera. Yeah, this is basically taking up the space right now, but I can move it down. I found this egg, this bird's egg, on a short hike. Like I was on a walk. You say on a walk. Now I'm changing the temperature. Maybe I show you first how it looks like on the home automation. Very simple. Yeah, it's not 60 degrees. It's what arrives up there is like less than 60. So I have, okay, so back to, that's humidity is 66% and temperature is now 35, which is already too low. We need like 35, and I will show what I did there. So I can also change the ISO so it will be a little bit brighter. Yeah, that's a closed box. Not completely closed because it still needs like some sort of air circulation, because birds' eggs, they breathe as well. And in there, I have like, oh, there was some spillage. That's why I have this tissue. There is some water to keep the humidity up. I spilled a little bit because it was way too low, so it could evaporate. And I have the egg here. This is the bird's egg that I found. And I have even like, because this has some stands like this box, I put an aluminum plate beneath that so it transfers the heat more efficiently. And yeah, the development, I don't know. I can only decide tomorrow if it's still living. I can show you how it currently looks like. So I can judge if it developed from yesterday, but it certainly should develop. So if we, oh, it won't focus, I believe. Let's try. Okay, so inside there is like, that's not only a yolk. Actually, there is like an angle where you can see something inside that looks like yeah, fertilized. But I don't know if it's like, tomorrow we can decide if it's dead or not, or it's certainly fertilized. It was at some point and we don't know what happened. So it could be that basically like a bird of prey like attacked the nest of the breeding bird. And yeah, I will keep this DHT22, or what's the close to that, so I know the temperature and the humidity, to close proximity of that. And I will close it again. And you already see like the temperature dropped immediately I opened it, of course, because we have like a climate that's stabilized around that. So we have now 30 degrees, and I will just use this pillow to insulate so it won't lose that much heat, and it will be more of an equal climate in there. So that's the state of the bird right now. Yeah. Actually, so moving into a pen. Why is bitluni? Did I miss something? Bitluni dead? I don't know. Bitluni on holidays today. Okay. Yeah, actually, I thought about it, like making a short, because that project isn't very complicated. Like I can explain this in like a few minutes, maybe 1 minute even. I will move it down so we have some space for other stuff. But I believe, okay, I have to disconnect, unfortunately, disconnect the ESP that's monitoring the humidity and temperature. But I will reconnect it immediately and hope that we receive new values there. Okay, here we go. And now, what I will... bitluni, hey Brian, yeah, that's like, I mean, I'm a nice guy, so I really would hope to have that bird survive somehow, and then I could give it to an animal shelter. Look at how it glows. The table is still warm, and this thing was on the floor. And now we have some fondue cheese fondue today. This is how it looks like originally. There is some flags on the bottom that I added. There's some from the packet. And hey, Louis is here. Hey, Louis. Should I restart or reset the? I usually. Okay, what? Here we have, oh, the crust of this bread. The crust of this bread. What is, the white balance is off. Is this like, oh, we have like ultrasonic here. This is the right white balance for that. Okay, so, yeah, we have, look at the crust of the bread. Look at the crust. This is like premium crust of this bread. I love dark crust like that. But the bread is fresh, so this part is quite soft. I think this will rip. So usually I'd need an older bread for that. But yeah, this is some pickles. But oh, you can see the glow starting down there. Floating about and listening. Okay. Cool. Yeah, bitluni is there now. Nice. It works. Yeah, I don't want to stream for too long today. What I can maybe show for those people who didn't see it yet what the VGA is doing. Oh, let's finish like with the bird stuff. So what it basically is, maybe I can show the code. No, no, that's not the code. Docs incoming here. Yeah, that's basically D1 mini DHT to UDP, and it uses Adafruit sensor library with DHT unified. It does everything for me there. And I'm just, whenever I receive an event, I send a packet here and there. And sending a packet is just UDP with a string, JSON string. I don't even use MQTT here. It's just UDP. And then check, and that was like a quick hack. I mean, all my stuff works like that. Like doorbell works more or less like that. It's a little bit more complicated, but because there is a timeout implemented. The cat notifier, which is a raccoon notifier as well. It uses even like a Telegram thing here, but what we could do here is interesting. Oh, maybe that we pivot without noises. What's happening? What is happening? Oh, really? Should I try a different one? I'm sorry. I didn't know. I don't know what this is. Road quality. It's basically. Okay. Okay, I will just place it here, so I won't touch it. It might be a little bit echoey. Okay, yeah, okay, got it. Hello. Okay, I'll just place it in front of me, so it won't be a problem anymore. I'm sorry. Okay, so we got like, oh, this is basically converts the JSON string to an object, and the gauges. That works like the gauges. You can basically I have T and H for temperature and humidity, so you can use for the gauges like directly the property of the object, but here you need like to filter and basically change payload T to payload to be able to use the graph. That's maybe that's like a really deprecated version. I don't know for this stuff. Okay, now it's slowly increasing again. Okay, yeah, that's what it is. Oh, look at the humidity. It dropped to below 40%, and now it's increased again. What did I do? Did I spill? Oh, yeah, it's. Oh, maybe it's now more like closed or whatever than before. It doesn't vent well, so it saturates at some point, the humidity. And he was like opening the thing or whatever. Yeah, that's about it. Yeah, what we can do if we want to, we can do like Telegram. There's some. I don't want to open this because that might contain a token that that you would use to abuse me. Oh, demonetized. Now it will be hidden. Uh, Basically, we can, if like the humidity, no, the temperature is too high or too low, it can set off a Telegram message or something. But I don't want to do this right now. Okay, yeah. So that's about it for that thing. Let's do VGA stuff, shall we? Okay, let me set up the VGA and see what we got so far. So we need, yes, it is. That's basically the DHA22, which I have also the blue ones. So this is basically simple WeMOS D1 Mini with DHT22 shield. I have also the DHT, what is it, 11 or whatever, but they saturate at some point. That was used on my weather station. It wasn't really like reliable, so I rather prefer to use the newer ones. Okay, VGA, here we come. Now I need to check docs stuff here. Okay, I can close this window. This doesn't need. Okay, here we go. We can docs here. Docs mode activated. Where's the GH5? Here we go. Okay, yeah. Screen is there. We need some power. Oh yeah, I can use USB since I designed this. Oh yeah, so maybe you can see that. I designed this one to be 14-bit like the old ones, but now we can use 16-bit because we have a peripheral that we can use for VGA, the LCD peripheral, and it supports extra signals for the syncs. Motion detector, if it's breeding, it takes 2 days. If the beak pokes a hole into the eggshell, it takes 2 days to like for the birds to get out. So basically, there's not much need for taking too like close attention to that. Okay, so yeah, resistor ladders and S3 with PS RAM and VGA connector, and it's breadboard friendly. I can prove it. You can here's a breadboard. Maybe I can even use it now. Here we go. So if you plug it in to a breadboard, I mean it's like as friendly as it can be. Probably you the Wi-Fi isn't very nice if you plug it in like that. Probably need a shorter one. Okay, yeah. So you have still a row here and a row there to wire stuff, and some extra GPIOs, but I need like to remove like and try building a mini rover using the ESP motor shield. Rover. Ah, nice pun, huh? Okay, here's some USB-C. I hope it's programmed. Oh yeah, okay, yeah. Pink LED is blinky. Yeah, that's 800 by 600. But there is some flicker here, and we need to investigate that. Oh, by the way, flux. I need to stir the lava. Is there a fondue? No, there's no fondue. Okay, here. I need to stir the lava. Stir the lava. It's still not really super hot. I increase the temperature here. Yeah, there is jitter. You can see that. See that? It's moving like by 1 pixel or something like that. So what that means is, oh, this is 800 by 600 in 16-bit. So this is like way ahead of what we had with the original ESP VGA that I made. So there is still some sync going on here, and then basically the internal electronics get like the horizontal refresh rate right to continue like without any jumping around. And what I'm worried about, if I make this a product and it's not reliable with the resolution, especially on analog devices, that's no good. And I have an analog device here. Let me bring that monstrosity. How do I do this? So I noticed something. I think we can unplug it here. We don't need that stuff back here. I will just move it away and take the power. Steal the power. Oh yeah, I just put it down. So. I don't miss those times where we had CRTs like that, taking all the space on the desk. But I like the sound when you degauss when you turn it on. Do you know the degauss sound? Sound. Oh, there it was. I hope. Oh, wait, you didn't hear, did you? Wait. I turn it off and then we try again. So you can hear the ASMR here. Oh no. No, it's not degaussing. I would need to plug it in again. Okay, sorry. Okay, here we go. Oh, wait a second. I need 60 hertz. But then everything will, oh, foo. What do I do? Yeah. Wait, I need the 100, no, there is no 120. Okay, 60, yeah. Is there a, oh, do you hear the screen? It loses sync. You can see that. Bang, there was a lost sync. Here again. And then you can also see the upper corner. So that should be a perfect, it's a can of worms like this S3. The problem is that we can't use like the old technique. Oh, okay. There is like, they changed the I2S peripheral, so you can't use the APLL to clock it. That's terrible, because with the APLL we can set any frequency that we liked, and now we have like only dividers and the original frequency of, okay, we have like the external crystal, and then we have like the PLL, 240 megahertz PLL, and we can divide that. We have the we can divide the internal PLL to get another frequency. And in this case, the problem is we can. This is 40 megahertz pixel frequency, but somehow it's not right, and I don't know why. It should be perfect because this is tied to the external crystal. So what is going on here? Why is it losing frequency, like the sync? And what I saw also, like we have, I saw like something in the upper right corner where I suspect that we have some problems with the sync signal. So the LCD peripheral might work a different way than we need, what we need for VGA here. And our task today would be like to investigate the sync signals of the VGA and maybe make a nice update here for the visualization, because yeah, this is just a test pattern. Stick hot routines in IRAM. What do you mean with that? What does that mean? This is no good. No good. No good. I have different screens as well. I have another TFT here, but this one needs like a power supply that I don't have access to. I don't know, DC in, what is this DC in? 19 volts. Yeah, maybe we can, you know what? 2.6 amps, 19 volts. This is another screen that we can test. No, the LCD screen is better at syncing up. So I think like the back porch and front porch. Yeah, there is front and back porch, but I think something might be like the order might be different, or let's discuss this, because that's a good point. Let me use for MS Paint. So I mean, we can just take a look at what the oscilloscope shows us. So we'll know for sure. But what we are doing right now, we have like sync signals. Is this like, okay? So we have like vertical sync, which is basically one or two lines, I don't know, of basically either this way or other way around, and the other lines are like high, so this would be like low. Nee, this is like high. Okay, this is like the vertical. I need to turn this down. It's cooking already. And everything else will be like low. And then we have, let's take a different color. And then we have like the horizontal sync, which is basically active for some part here. And it's always in the same region like that. Oops. I bumped into my phone here. This is a glitch. This is like that. So, and then we have like RGB, whatever, which is happening like here. Blah, 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 blah. And the problem can be that basically the order of this sync and this sync is different, and this makes a real difference, because if you have like the sync in the back, then this the vertical sync is misaligned, and then the screen has to realign within few lines, which are probably not visible. But if it doesn't manage to realign or resync with some smart logics there, like in the digital screens, then the pixel will basically shift by the amount. Like if this would go like somewhere here. So is this the same color? Like here, then there is like a misaligned. This would be like the length of this vector would be like the misalignment. DMA callbacks, interrupts dealing with. No, this is all in hardware. So this is not like. Okay, one thing could be the if we are using now PS RAM, otherwise the frame wouldn't fit into RAM. That looks. Wow, this is hot. Ouch! Ow, 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 my finger is still glowing. This is too hot. Delay, outsync. Oh, where? How do I mean, I don't know about like I don't see the options to we can take a look at the peripheral, but what I would do is I would basically investigate the signals with the oscilloscope. We only need 3 probes for that, and see basically how all the signals are aligned, and then we can see what's the actual problem of that. Oh, that's the vertical sync. The vertical sync only happens. Yeah, let me show something on the webs. VGA. Is there like an? Okay. Disconnect should. Sync on green. Oh, I don't think there is there is no sync on green. There is no encoded sync on green because the LCD peripheral doesn't know which bits are used for green and whatnot. Yeah, I will. I will. Here. Is this MIT? Yes, MIT. Okay, nice. Okay, yeah, that doesn't look like it's logical. Oh, there. Oh, interesting. It's inverting the sinks here. Maybe that's missing. So the V sync inverts the H sync, but I'm not sure if this is really necessary. Oh, yeah, that could be an issue. Oh, foo. Do we need like an external XOR or something? Hmm. Oh, yeah, it is. Yeah, you're right. Okay, yeah, then it's all right. Then it should work. Okay, let me check. Sync. This is the front porch. Front porch, which is after the frame, because C sync. Okay, yes, color sync. Okay, yeah, we're not using that. But let's take a look at the signals. Let me set up. It's unfortunately a little bit more complicated because I don't have direct access to the sync signals, but I can make one because I might have a connector that you can basically start of the new frame. Do you think the frame? Okay, let me check. There's this, I have this one VGA thing. Now I need to find it. You can't hear me over here, can you? Let me put this on my shirt. I hope it isn't too loud because I won't. Now that will fall off at some point. Okay. Shit, where is this thing? Oh wait, I had a cable, I think, a VGA cable with the wires at the end, which are yes. Oh, okay, cool, nice. Okay, I found something that we can use. This cable here, which has sync signals and ground and some bend pins for R, G, and B. So we can just attach the probes and be good. Okay, nice. Oscilloscope time. Here we go. A line should start at the beginning of the active video and a front and the back port is padding for the sync, so the electron beam has time to finish the visible line. Yeah. Okay. Let's check how that looks like. Oh well, can I use that? Okay. You need maybe that. Okay. I hope I find all the probes because I have such a mess. The lab is moving soon, like in 1 month, because we bought a house, an old house that I still have to renovate for like 2 years or something. But still, this is a rental and we can't afford a big house. So we have now, I have to reduce myself, like to shrink to 1/3 of the size that I use now. I don't know how. I have to sell half of my machines to fit in the new spaces. But oh well. What will you do? So the 10th birthday will be probably the last time that we stream from this space here. Oh, I need to change the frame rate again because it's flickering. Not the frame rate. Yeah. Okay, all right. This is what is ground here? I have no clue which one was ground. This one is ground. G-spot. Okay, let me check. What sync is this here? What is this? Measure, and we have 62 kilohertz. What is that? It measures 62 62 hertz, which, so the frequency is way too high. Oh no, what do we do? Frequency is too high. Shoot. That's no good. Okay, let me get a second probe and we will see the sync signals. No, I can't. We are fixed like to the frequency that we get from the oscillator. So it might be like frequency drift. Oh yeah, lava stirring. My pot of lava is almost finished here. Let's check this probe if that works. I put probes everywhere, like attach them to projects and put them away. F this, I take this one here. Here are 2 probes that I used for ultrasonic things. Okay, these 2 probes should be all right. Anyone wants to buy a pick and place machine? I'm selling one, light placer. I give you a friend's price. I have no space for that, and I'm not using it right now. Here we go. Yes, wait, no, yeah, that's the VSync. A pick and place machine. It picks up parts and places them on the PCBs. Wait, this is signal start. Okay, and now I will add this should be, what is this? What is the trigger, by the way? Is this like 5-volt trigger? What is this doing? Huh? Oh wait, this trigger. Oh no, we need huh, wait, what? What is 39 kilohertz? Oh, there is a crosstalk. How? Okay, interesting. Maybe I need some filtering. Interesting. External sync input? No. What's the resolution? 800 by 600. It's 40 megahertz, 800 by 600. So let me put this here. If you want to see like this should be the color signal. Oh yeah, that's stupid. That's the blue, I guess. We use it here. And okay, this is why is this so high and this so low? Oh yeah, that's the color is dim, huh? Okay. Let me use the green. Okay. This is blue. Okay, this is blue. Nice. Okay, so we can now judge. Okay. Looks like since this is the color, oops, and this is the horizontal sync, we see like the front porch, I mean the front porch here is 24 units, and we have the back porch 128, which is all right, and this is 72, which is like more than half of this length. So that sync is all right. It's probably the overall frequency. So we need either to reduce one of the signals, like in length, like relative to the frequency. And where is the? How do I trigger edge? Oh, cursors. I can see. Where's the? Wait, let's zero it out. Here. Oh, okay. Yeah. Okay, here. Here we go. All right. So yeah, that's the issue. That's an issue. That's what I thought. The sync signal. Oh no. Fool. Let me increase the brightness for you. So what happens here, we can see that the vertical sync ends at the end of the front porch. Am I right? Yes. Shit. Can I change that? That causes the issues. Let me check again with the... Oh no. The screen capture. VSync. Okay. Oh no, wait. No. What is... Okay, when does the VSync start? Does this start at frame? Wait. Okay. Let me get more precise. Horizontal, blanking horizontal, vertical. Start, end of the line, and ensure that the monitor displays. No, this is right. Okay, so this is correct. The sync, it says the sync marks the start of the frame. So this actually is correct. We have the sync, both syncs starting at the, but I'm blanking, it doesn't show. Okay, video, vertical, horizontal. This is the... Okay, yeah, whatever. Let's check another source. Let's check the images and find the best source. Okay, that doesn't show here. Vertical blanking interval. Look at that. So that's what I thought it is. here. The vertical blanking interval includes the front porch. Fuck. What do we do? Look at this. They start at the same time, the vertical and the horizontal. It might be that this peripheral, that we can configure the peripheral to like include the front porch, and that's causing the sync problems. That's what I thought. Maybe setting it on. Okay. Let's check the peripheral and see if we can. It's funny, there's still a Marlin open. Okay, VGA. If we can adjust that somehow. So, code. Measure the timings. No, we have measured the timings. The timings are clear. Like, I mean, this is perfectly fine. The pixels always start around, like the vertical, show you here. So the frequency is way too high, but that doesn't matter. The screen should be fine. The problem lies within the vertical sync, which basically doesn't include, let me do a snapshot. So the vertical and the horizontal sync start at the same time. And that the vertical should include the front porch. Timing caps. What timing caps? What do you mean with timing caps? Capacitors or capabilities? Okay, let's talk about it. So this project will die because we can't do anything. Yeah, that's what's happening here. Yeah, that could be an idea. Let me check. I have an. Okay, we can try that. Yeah. Do I have an adapter that converts HDMI to VGA? That would be cool. And we hope that it. Okay, this is AV. Because I don't have any VGA output anywhere anymore. Do I have a converter somewhere? I had converters. I can find them. The only thing that I can find that can make VGA is my old VGA, which worked fine, so it might be a reference. I can also check my code, but I'm sure that the front bodge was included there. Where do I have the VGA converters? I thought it might be here. Oh, capacitors. What are timing capacitors? Can you give me a reference to, or explain how and what the purpose would be? No, I can find a converter right now. I had one VGA HDMI VGA converter. Usually they are in this drawer, but apparently my place is too messy and I can find it. Cheese. Let me think. Do I have an old computer? Yeah, but I don't know that. Not sure that. No, that one doesn't have a power supply. Huh. Hey, Lua. Or is it Iwa? Ah. Yes. Okay. What? This is some completely different. It doesn't include the H-sync at all. But no, wait. This is again a different explanation. Oh no, look at this. This is even a different one. So there is no. Can I I can host one, yes. Don't we have a host, the Shipu? Sorry, I didn't check the. Yeah, I can do that. I'm at home and I have time and I'm alone and I can do that. Do we have any guests? Yeah, we can take people like on the Butterfacts. Nah. Do we have people? Otherwise, I can ask Guy. Okay, nice. Oh yeah, that will be awesome. Otherwise, I can ask around people to join. I mean, we can ask the people that have interesting stuff finished recently. So count me in for Sunday. I'll be there. C64 video output, what? Okay, so we have another definition of, oh, wait, the Shippo knows everything. The Shippo, you need to help us. So, oh, okay. Okay, nice. The Shippo, do you know when the vertical sync, the vertical sync of, oh, so much text. What? You have an idea about everything. Usually. Oh, yeah. Yeah, but then Christian will sign off because Christian doesn't like. Just quickly. Okay, vertical. Okay. Ah. Oops. Less text. Le text. I thought, sorry. I meant less text. Shorter version. Le texte. Sync pulse widths and front porch durations. These signals are aligned ensure. Ah. Okay. No. Okay, so it's convinced, it told me I'm wrong, so it doesn't try to. So that should work. Should we just recalculate the frequency and see if it's just because of the frequency? So every second side has a different opinion on here. I saw different opinions on. Wait a second. Wait a second. The things that. Yeah. After the end. Yeah, that's all right. Yeah, I know that. That's what ChatGPT said. That looks really familiar. Like, I mean, I used maybe the same font, but my sync signals. Let me check. Okay. What did bitluni say?
We take an old thread wire. You don't jump over, loop the Arduino, the ESP to put the late ESP. Let's amplify and take 2 by.
What? BME? Front or back port? Okay, wait. Did I explain the timings? FAQ? Wait, maybe we find explanations here. What is this? Wait, what is this? Where are the explanations? Maybe I can watch in future. Maybe I can watch in future. In the future, what's this? In the future, what's this? I try to find answers on this live stream. I try to find answers on this live stream. I try to find answers what is happening? I try to find answers what is oh yeah, fast forward. Okay, let's try that. Oh yeah, fast forward. Okay, let's try that. Oh yeah, fast forward. Okay, let's try that. Oh yeah. The timings. Maybe I can watch in future. Maybe I can watch. I can be faster now. What's this? I try to find answers on this live stream. I try to find maybe bitluni finds the answer in future. What is happening? Oh yeah, fast forward. Okay, let's try that. Oh yeah, fast forward. Okay, let's try that. Oh yeah, fast forward. Oh no. Okay, let's try that. If that works. Maybe I can watch in future. I can be faster now. I try to find answers on this live stream. Maybe bitluni finds the answer in future. What is happening? Oh yeah, fast forward. Okay, let's try that. Oh yeah, fast forward. Okay, let's try that. Oh yeah, oh no. If that works. Maybe I can watch in future. I can be faster now. I try to find answers on this live stream. Maybe bitluni finds the answer in future. What is happening? Oh yeah, fast forward. Okay, let's try that. Oh yeah, fast forward. Okay, let's try that. Oh no. If that works. I can be faster now. Maybe bitluni finds the answer in future. Oh yeah, fast forward. Okay, let's try that. Oh no, if that works. We're trying to oracle in the future. We're trying to oracle in the future. We're trying to oracle in the future. Okay. Let's finish it. That's good. No one has ever gone deeper in return. Oh yeah, you're right. Oh, ADHD. Yeah, I'm trying to eat some lava here. Oh, I lost my bread to the lava. Here's some lava bread. Okay, so let's try to just change the timings. All right. So maybe it's just, the problem is just that we got 62 hertz instead of okay, 62 hertz instead of 60 hertz here. So how do we change the frequency? I think I had a sheet that calculates that stuff. Let me find that. I'm not doxing here anything. untitled spreadsheet, untitled spreadsheet, untitled spreadsheet. Which one is it? Oh yeah, that could be that one. But why is there is no contents? Okay. Okay, I show you something. Oh no, that shows my token. But it's not shared, I think. It's too login. The problem is that the monitor loses the sync. Oh, might be. Yeah, that's what I'm. Arabelle, you are maybe you have a lead there. A frequency knob of what? Of my crystal on the ESP board? Not possible, my friend. So we have 250 PLL, 240 megahertz on the ESP. These are like the dividers, and we have basically 40 megahertz. Yeah, the city should handle. That's what I'm asking. That's why I'm wondering, why is it not syncing up? Underwater robotic. Henrik, yeah, that's coming. Steady hand and the razor blade. Oh wow, this is getting crazy. I mean, I had the timings. Okay, let me just copy the timings. Let's just recalculate the timings. I mean, we can. I can reconnect the screen. This is the wrong project. Saved a longer trace and checked for glitches. Nope. How do I check for glitches? I mean, there is some crosstalk, it seems. But that could be the cable. Yeah, but I have to learn it too, so it's hard to do underwater technology research stuff. Huh. Maybe we need some a capacitor for the signals, because we have like this probably flyback capacitance, whatever. Can you see that? Or it seems like it's crosstalk, but I can't tell if it's like from the cable or where this is coming from. So we have like some glitches here. What's the maximum? How do I clear this? Wait. Clear measurement. Clear measurement. Clear measurement. Clear measurement. 32 microseconds is a period here. That's cool. 32. It's the VG8. Okay, 800 by 640 megahertz, and whole line should be 26.4 microseconds, and we have pause. Okay, 30, now this frequency, period 2, period 2 is like, okay, 31.25, and we have 30, where's the frequency? I don't see it here, I need a different side. Okay, hina.info says a little high. Okay, we have that's in pixels. 40 megahertz in pixels in lines. Hertz. Okay, we have here that 53. Which one? There is a 57. No, what is this? Refresh rate of VGA at 56 hertz and the 60 hertz. So we have 36 megahertz refresh, and there is microseconds. Let me check that line. 28.44 or 26.40. Something's completely off here. Okay, maybe my syncs are completely off. Let me check that. So we have the two VGA modes here. Maybe my source was not nice, or like I think the source was me myself. What test code? Nah, I don't want to right now. I have everything here. Okay, let's try again. 60. So we have, this is, what is, this is a bad PDF conversion or something. Active 800, active time 806, front porch 37. What? What? Okay. I mean, we can try. I don't know what these values are. Tiny VGA. Yeah, I got the timings from there, but no, I don't know if these are the. Okay, let's try this one here, this version. 85 is back porch, no, front porch. 37, back porch 85, sync. Where's the sync pulse? Sync. What happened? Sync, but everything is now minimized. Sync pulse in pics is 128. This is like completely different. Then we have 806. Which is, why don't we do like, add like 43 here and do 800? I don't get it. Okay. Sync pulse. Oh, interesting. We have 4 lines instead of 1. Four and active time 604. Sync pulse. Ah, this is terribly formatted. Front porch, there is. Oh no. Okay, 6-4, that's 6-8, and there's a 20. There must be like, there is a 20 missing or something. Okay, that's 20. And this will be, wait, is this front? Is this sync? Wait, 4. And this will be sync pulse. 6-4, yeah, I don't know. Let's try that. Oh, that's not even connected. Wait, no, this is the wrong. Ah, no. I almost killed Baby Yoda. No. Let me connect the device in the first place before we start recompiling the kernels here. Oh, by the way, I don't want to stream for too long today, so let's fix that and be good. Do like one nice calculation or something. Someone's trying to send me stuff on, poking me on Discord. Okay, here. Okay, here we go. What's happening there? Okay. Nice. Okay. A resetting pin. Okay, okay. Huh? What is the frequency? Okay. No edges. Okay, 60.2 kilohertz. I see. Where is all my stuff here? Okay. Here. Okay, so it says 6. Okay, let's try again with the screen. I detach that and see if the screen works. Wait, where is the screen? We can make it work. Where is this? What happened to this pin? Oh, I tried to plug it in upside down. I hope I didn't break a pin. Oh no. Nice sync, bro. Oh no. I might have I hope this one pin isn't like important. I need to pull it out again. Yeah, that. Shit. How do I get? So I have like a pin, which is now, but I don't think it's an important pin. Might be a ground or something, but thin pliers. Fence pin. Not fence pin, a pin. Okay. I don't have an old laptop with VGA. I might have a one, but maybe I should turn it off before I try to like. Oh, where are the pliers? Here. Okay. Yeah, I don't think it will survive. So, and I need like to just tease the people on TikTok or something, make a short, and they will subscribe to see. This is not coming. This is not. Foo. F this. I don't need that. I don't need that. I will just leave it there. Let's see if I can change the timings. Okay. I need better timings. Tiny VGA timings. Okay, let me try tiny VGA timings. Where's my mouse? I don't see my mouse anymore. Did I break my mouse? Where's my mouse? What happened? Is my mouse dead? What? Huh? What? What's happening? I don't see a cursor anymore. Okay, something strange is going on. Let me try to reattach it. Huh? What's going on? Let me try a different mouse. Did a mouse die live on stream or what? From the DGOS. Or my USB died. I killed my USB. Doing something really. Oh. No, I didn't kill my USB, did I? Yeah, I can check without a mouse. Mouse trap, yeah. I might have, here. I just look somewhere on the floor. Most of the time there is a mouse there. Oh, okay, there is my mouse. But why doesn't this one work? I don't see a laser. It should have a laser. Don't know what happened. I need to use this mouse now. Okay. Okay, this is, we can try, are these the timings that okay. 1, 4, 23. 1, 4, 23, okay. I know what happened. 40, 88, okay. 40, 88, yeah, it's a little bit different, but not that much. I think we had a one too many lines here. And let's check tiny VGA. While this is compiling. 800 by 640 megahertz. 88, yeah, 40. 1433, yeah, that's the same. Did it upload already? I hope I didn't destroy the stupid cable that's basically connected to the screen. I can really throw this away. Oh, now it's uploading. Okay. No, still broken. Why though? Did I break it for good? Let me check this timings here. 60.2, okay. Let me try the digital screen. Oh, why is my mouse dead? Probably need to just restart the computer. Internal. Oh, it's too much space. This huge monstrosity. Oh! Takes up too much space. I have another screen that's also like a digital one that had also issues doing that. And we have like the projectors that we can still try. So we have a little bit of, oh shit. Yeah, that will, a little bit of variation. Oh, that's off. What is going on here? Oh, wait. Did I mix up front porch and... Oh. No. Front, sync, back. Front, sync, back. Front, sync, back. Front, sync, back. Okay. Front, sync, back. Sync, back. Uh-oh. I don't know why. Why is this so terrible now? Hey system, how are you? Why is this terrible? Let me check what mode it thinks to have, because we have some information. Okay, H positive and V positive, 800 by 600. Okay, do we have positive? Positive, positive, positive. Yeah, the cluster? No, no, not yet, no. Maybe we have, let me check, positive. Idle is low. Oh, here's. So flags H sync idle is low. Back porch, front porch. I don't see an issue here. Vsync. Front, back, sync. The screen doesn't like it anymore. Why though? Timing should be right. What did I use before? I used that before. Yeah, this is like completely off. Let me check a different resolution. We can try 800, like this 56 hertz. 20, yeah. Oh, interesting. So the timings were for 24, what is 72, 128. This is the timing for the, but now we need 36. Wait, 28 and front porch 1, 2, 22, 1, 2, 22. Okay, this is the one that doesn't work because the timing is so off. So now we need a different frequency, and we have this is our chart. The closest that we can get to properly is 34. Oh no. Copy value. How do I copy value? 285714. 34285714. Otherwise, okay, we can do like 36, but this will jitter around, okay? So we will have like, can I paste this now? Yeah, okay, it pastes the right one. Let's see the lower frequency version. Yeah, that's flickery. Jittery flickery. Let me show that so you can judge by yourself. Yes. Sometimes it's even jumping a line. Do you see that? I don't know if you can see that, but sometimes it moves even like by a line. Ah, I mean, you get the analog feeling with that. I could try to use the frequency that's actually divisible. System. Yeah. That will be the sour pickle resolution here. No wonder. Yeah. This screen tries really hard. I mean, it works, but actually, actually that doesn't work that bad. It's 53.5 hertz, and I don't see any jitter whatsoever. Wait. What? Doesn't have any jitter. Ship it. Okay. Yeah, but only on this screen. You will see the others. Let me move around. Let me shuffle. Let me shuffle. Let's try. Oh shit. Oh no, I dropped everything. Let me shuffle and use ship. Yeah. Oh no. Yeah, oops, it dropped. This is because this. Okay, I don't need the oscilloscope. We just disconnected everything again. I hate cables. I hate fans, and I mean the fans that make noise, not the fans like you. I don't want to call you fans. I want to call you rather friends, because I see us as equals. Ah, now you can see. Ah, this is the tear. Ah, yikes. Oof. No good. How could I sell something like that? Ship it with the other monitor. That's cool. That's cool. Okay, let me remove. This is no good, yeah. Oh, by the way, no good. How is our how is our bird doing? Where's the bird? Where is bird? I forgot to monitor board. Here, bird is cooking. Oh no, temperature is too low. What is going on, bird? Is it even working? Wait, breeder. Oh yeah, okay, we're receiving data. It's too cold. Bird is cold. I need to increase temperature. Yeah, because it's trying to resync. The sync is off. Burp is the word. Okay, bird is too cold. Bird mama bitluni needs to change the settings and increase the temperature of the bed. It's set to 60. Why? Maybe the... Okay, 65 should help the bird. Let's see if we can cook it. 180 degrees. Yeah, I could automate the controls. Basically, what I thought, if we connect the Prusa to the Raspberry Pi, we can basically send make a PID controller and send comments to reset to set a higher temperature for the heated bed. But I really usually I wouldn't like mess around with that so much like I did in today. I mean, I don't have much hopes that it survived. We will see tomorrow if it developed. I can show you. Oh yeah, let's do that. I can show you maybe images that I have taken. Yes, I'm cooking a chicken. I'm developing it. Okay? It's not cooking, it's developing. Okay, I need to unplug VGA and I will show you ADHD. Yes. Yeah, let's dox everything. All the cool projects. Oh, is this from yesterday? Okay. Let's check out. Okay. So, can you see that? I mean, this was today. Oh yeah, I added some water there. Like, and this is... I saw like some veins. There was like, there were moments, I don't know if I can see that, it's so hard to focus, where I saw like a structure there. So it's not only like the egg yolk or anything that's inside. So I definitively, maybe that was yesterday, I'm not sure. Let me check. I tried also to use, no. Oh yeah, that was, look at this. This was yesterday. And this was today. Wait. It's a little bit. Oh no, it's blown out. You can see like in this region, there's like some veiny stuff going on. But you can tell it should be developed more than that. So I don't know what's going on. So there is like veiny stuff that wasn't the day before there. So I mean, it's a little bit grown because I saw like some stuff going on. That's like the second day that I have the egg. So it could be like really in the early stages of the development. Oh, I need to turn the egg. Okay, let's do that. Oh yeah, I turned it. So yeah, so I don't know if it will survive my treatment. But something happened. There was like this veiny stuff. You can really tell on the video here. And if tomorrow, like if you maybe there is oh here it's a little bit 14 days is the typical. I found like a better one than this one here, but this one is already like showing. Oh wait, interesting, there's a video. Okay, yeah, but there is like, okay, I can tell that's probably a hen. I found picture like that, but with every day. And it was basically the stage of the egg that I saw like here. This is day 4 here. So what I saw now is maybe yesterday would be something like that. Today I saw like veiny stuff. So if we don't see like increasingly more veins and like look at this day 10. So oh, but what is this? Duck egg. Okay, yeah, that's a duck. It takes twice as long as a bird egg. So basically this is day 5. This is day 4. This is day 3. What we saw, the development, what we saw today is about day 3. And tomorrow there should be like significantly more visible stuff. Hey, 02. Burp, bird, Burke. Okay, I'm cooking it at 65 now. Let's see. Oh, it's increasing. 30, 34, 37 is like the sweet spot for that. So I don't want, in the case that the precision of the thermometer is not very precise. Humidity is high though. I might need to vent it sometime. 60% should be all right, but I like to keep it a little bit more moist, so it to compensate for maybe the moisture it lost while it wasn't in the nest. That was quite low humidity. Okay, back to VGA. Let me plug in that. So there will be at least like a short with the bird stuff, how everything happened. And now let's take a look at this tear here. Tearing me apart. Ba, ba, ba. Content ID. Was it NSYNC? NSYNC? Yeah. Okay, no good. It's trying to retime, so it's a little bit off on this screen. But it was working fine. It's a little bit too slow. That's why this shifting to the left. Our clock isn't precise enough for that. But what we can try to do, a giant fly, what you gonna do with that? Okay, let's try the 40 megahertz sync that we tried before with the timings 40, 128, 88 and 1423. Let's see if that... Oh wow, what kind of fly is this? Okay, so also tearing. Ginormous fly. Yeah, this isn't... It's from your country. No, now it will be flagged like... Oh, the screen. I just wanted to remove that after the Maker Faire, and now... So this is trash. I don't know what the issue is. Let's try the analog screen again. Do I have a different one? Bastards. Okay, let me get a projector. We try the projector now. Oh, the cheesy smell. Blah. Okay. Do you remember those here? Haha. Welcome to the world of projecting video signals on the wall. Here we go. Okay, let's go. What video game was this? Nee. The first one was the best, the first try. Okay, let's turn it on. Let's turn it on. Ah, fan noise, fan spin. Okay, no good. This no good, go away. Oh, it looks like it loses the sync. No? Oh, wait. Focus. And now we need less light here in this room. Let me turn it down a little bit. Bloop. Let's make it cozy. Yeah. Oh, here we go. That's the signal. Oh, it's the same. We have the same tear. I see the same tear in the first pixels. Like, I don't know if you can see that. No, you can't. Let me zoom that in. Nah, that solder joints are fine. Same tear. I mean, we saw the sync signals on the scope. No good. Let me try the different one. The buffer chip. No, we just started doing this stuff. Yeah, because then like the sync is. Oh yeah, I can do. What? KiCad. Do we have? Let me check that if I can show the PCB layout. KiCad is stupid. It never remembers any projects. Probably because I keep some of the projects open and then. Ah. Yeah, but the glitches, they happen occasionally, not on this regular basis. I think like there is something weird going on. ChatGPT said that the vertical sync has to. This is the only thing that I can imagine is like that the vertical sync has to include, like, start with the front port, not with the sync signal. ChatGPT is saying something different, but I think my implementation of VGA library that worked before did it different and it worked well. Hey, Daradici. Yesterday played with such a toy. Okay. Oh, well, okay. Let me try the 40 megahertz because this is like the timing is way off. Now let's try the 40 megahertz, which should be like really close. Lower refresh rate. Yeah, that's the lower refresh rate. But you can't really go lower than this one here, I think. Oh. Oh, yeah. Oh, really? No, now we are trying now. Now this would be 60 hertz. If it connect, but I don't, yeah, it's uploading. Yeah, still the tear. It might be that this projector has the same chip for decoding VGA than the one big screen. Can we work around that a little bit? I mean, we can do the sync signals. Yeah, I have some working resolutions that which not great. PS RAM too slow. That should be fixed now. Okay, that are just lower resolution. Okay, wait. VGA. This one. Yeah, that's 640 by 480, 650 by 480. Oh yeah, that's interesting. So what I did here is I extrapolated it to fit the PLL clock. So I made it a higher resolution horizontally and adjusted the pixels of it. Yeah, but then if okay, so this is VGA. Yeah, I don't like that because I did it already. I think the problem is that, like, if you have a shift between the horizontal and the vertical signal, then the frame starts with the vertical sync. Okay, let me show that again. This is 60 Hertz. The one that we are doing right now. This is 60 Hertz. This is 60 Hertz. Yeah, I try to explain why the glitch is only at the start of the frame. Okay, we have. Let me draw it like that. Okay, so this is the complete frame with the signals, and then we have, let's say, wait, no, this will be the area with the vertical sync. Okay, so shit, I bumped into my phone again. So this is the area with the vertical sync, okay? This is the vertical sync. And then you have, let's say that's like 2 lines of vertical sync. And then you have front porch. Like that, let's say like that. This is the horizontal sync. And then you have the frame like here. Let's say this is the frame that's drawn somewhere. And then you have this is here, yeah, let me, this is like the front porch, like F. This is the back porch. And this is the sync signal. So let's say the digital screen tries to find the image in the, like the start of the frame on the analog signals. It would look, certainly, it would try to find like the start of the vertical sync. So it will say, ah, here we go. This is the moment here. Here is where I start to count like my clock. It counts the clocks. It says, okay, this is like, we got like this amount of time for this vertical, and we had like two horizontals in between, and then it would say, okay, the frame starts with, it identified the resolution, and it says, okay, the frame starts like at this distance from in relation in okay, so it tries to measure, okay, we have like this offset where the frame starts, but then our peripheral doesn't have the front potch here. It has like, it starts the, everything is shifted by that, including like this, the VSync signal. And then it basically, it thinks, oh yeah, this is where the frame starts, and it shifts the complete frame by these many pixels, like the front potch pixels. And then it notifies, oh, since it tries like to align itself to the horizontal sync, so there is no like shift, like adding the error over all the lines that it has with like the different internal frequency. It tries to align the oscillator to the horizontal sync, and that's what might happen like that. So you have like a tear here, and yeah, okay, yeah. But that's a completely different implementation. So the ESP32 VGA works with generated, like with the not with the peripheral that's in the S3. The S3 has like this TFT peripheral which generates the H-sync and V-sync signals, and those are aligned, like the V-sync starts with the H-sync signal, not with the front potch. And I assume this is the issue. Oh, in other words, frame starts with silence, with short impulses, but eventually frame has a noticeable change in voltage. Okay, yeah, also like if you have silence here, it might also use that as indicator. Oh yeah, that's the actual frame or whatever. Digital screens can do that. I don't know if analog wouldn't do that. My assumption is that it basically tries to compensate like an offset between the V-sync and H-sync, and basically oscillates in the first lines until it's found like the sync, the H-sync perfectly, or the internal oscillator is synced up with it's a good. Oh yeah, layout. You want to see the layout, or do you want to copy it? Yeah, sorry, I was distracted. Where do I find my layout? Should be in this folder. Oh, wrong. The traces for the sinks are not long. So PCB. Here you go. So vsync. H-sync. There's no, they're not even, I didn't even put them like close to each other. The colors could have some crosstalk because they're like long traces and whatnot, but I really didn't have the space to, I didn't want to put the antenna close to the, because there is no space. We have the USB here and we have to put parts here. Yes, it's 2-layer. So look at this. Here is like the H-sync and this is the V-sync. And there is no, they're not like, they're just crossing the 5 volts or red, green, blue, but nothing else. And they're completely surrounded by ground planes. And that's it. We don't have like, okay, there is no like, I don't know, filters or whatnot. It's just directly connected. And that worked like with my other designs for VGA. So I don't think this is the problem. What do you see as a problem here? Okay, tell me. Do I need like a resistor? Terminating resistor? Okay, the CRT lost the sync sometimes, and then we had some jitter. Yeah, but how would it affect the sync signals? So what would be the result? I mean, the ground planes are connected with the wires. It's not many wires, but there are some. And here, this ground, look at this. These planes are completely connected through. Here is ground, 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 ground. Yeah, I don't think this parasite capacitance. Nah, this is 1 centimeter on the PCB. This is like 2 centimeters, this is 1 centimeter. Yeah, you can check out the stream, just rewind. We have only like crosstalk, but I think that was in the cable, not in the because there is no crosstalk on these two lines. There's like no way they can, so they are really steep. Both signals are really steep. There is no capacitance whatsoever. Maybe the drive strength is too strong. This is one thing that we can change about, but I don't think that's the problem. It's like a really vertically perfect signal, except like whenever we have a horizontal sync, the vertical sync has like also a yeah, I don't think that's the error. I think that's like, I mean, I can look in my old code that worked, and I think that's the front porch. And I don't know how to fix it. We can do something different. Let me turn that off, that's so loud. Okay. Yeah, but then you see rather stuff in the colors and so on, but not in the sync signals. Really, how do you shift the sync signal in time when it's still like super steep? Did you take a just scroll back in the stream and check out the scope of the sync signals? It's like really spot on. And I think there is just this front porch issue. Even though ChatGPT claims the syncs have to start at the same time, like the vertical and horizontal sync is like the first thing in the frame line, I think it might be something else. Like, let me try. Oh, did I show? Oh no. Yeah. But if you look at it here, like what do you have? You have like ground on the bottom, ground to the left, ground to the top. So it's more like a magnetic. It's looking just like that. Yeah, ground planes. Okay. So what I see right now as a solution could be that's the wrong one. That's the birdie bird. What I see as a test, but it's really code intensive. We can generate the sync ourselves right now on this board, because yeah, we can basically do the syncs within. Yeah, you know how long that takes to get the board made. I get it in 2 weeks or something. I can't manufacture 4 layers. It's like it's like way more. I want to exclude every single other possible error, because it doesn't make sense for me to assume something which is like, yeah, that's what I also think. Once we did everything that we can do try everything what we can try in software and see, okay, literally overkill, yeah, for that kind of stuff, maybe. What we can do is we can try to generate the things ourselves, like I did. Let me check if I can find it. Code, my VGA code. Okay, ESP32 VGA. Okay, source. VGA. Oh, they are high. Hey, bleep track. You know that I made this board in 2 layers before with way longer traces and way worse ground planes, and it worked flawlessly. So I assume, like, why should the physics change since then? The only thing that changed is like the way the peripheral works or the way the code works. So I mean the layout changed, of course, but I made the traces even shorter now. Before that, it had to like walk through like pin header connectors, all the sync signals through the pin header connectors to a like 8 centimeter long board. Oh, thank you very much. So I don't really, okay, I need to open this with Visual Studio Code. And we can check here, oh no. This, ah. Let me close a few things. Okay, here. Let's see how the buffer is constructed. Okay. Okay. So we have, this is like the lines, the VGA lines. So we have front, so vsync bit and inverted inactive buffer. Wait, then we have else, wait, hsync bit. Okay, so the difference here is the hsync bit. So if it's bigger than the front, shorter front plus sync. So basically what happens here already from this code, you see that the front is included in the line. So the line starts with the front port, then we have this sync signal, and then we have the back port. And the vertical sync just starts, yeah, I think, yeah. So the code that worked before, it assumed that the front port of the horizontal sync is like the start of the line, and the vertical sync started with the front port. So this is the difference. I tell you, this is like 100%. I'm so sure. I bet this tomato here that, and that's the difference. That can it implement it here? Yeah. The problem. Okay, I would love to see if I have control over that. We can do. I will try to find, because that's a peripheral, and that feature I didn't see it in the API from Espressif, but I can see there might be a tear, technical reference manual. Okay. How do I close this? Huh? Can I close this? Oh yeah. Okay. Okay, this is camera LCD. Okay, these are the signals. We have the clocks. Wait, what? That's it? Okay, byte order LCD. Yeah, we don't want... Okay. Blanking front. Blanking region. DE sync a... Wait, this doesn't line up. So what's the... That's the vsync with... Oh. Oh, okay. Yeah, you're right. Oh. I see what the problem is. And it might be on my side. Look how I think the vertical isn't measured in like clocks, in lines. We measured it in lines, not in... Wait, what? Oh no. Okay, I have to rewatch my stream. Oh no. Is this the issue? Yeah. Okay, let me check my stream again. Let me find, because I removed the scope. Okay. Streamception. Wait. This is color. Can I find this again? I don't want to set up. I think I know the problem now. The interface here doesn't take the. Oh, come on! This is too much stuff here. Okay, so what we need to do is here H-front vsync. The pulse width is in clocks, not in lines. Is it? Let me check the API. This would be crazy. That can really make the difference. Oh no. Okay, if that's it, then okay. Oh. Yeah. What is that? Oh. Yeah, I won't do for much longer. I think. Okay, bye-bye. Thank you for joining. Good night. Did you hear, community? Respect. Okay, peeps. Handle. Oh, panel. Handle. Go away. Panel type. Oh, come on. I want the panel type. Copy and what? It's the wrong one. Definitions. I have it in the code. Let me look for that here. Config. That's what we are looking for. Okay. Where is it? Timings. Okay. Yeah, they assume this, but I think the other. Oh, okay. Pulse with back porch, horizontal. Number of lines. Ah, no. Uh, okay, so okay, okay, thanks. Front porch idle. Oh, okay. So it's measured in lines. It's not in clocks. Back porch, front porch. Hmm. Okay, that was the wrong lead here, even though. Where is it? Where is the window with the timings? Yeah, that's not it. Clock data. Okay. Parameter show the figures above. Please note that the parameter is equal to the register value plus 1. For example, vsync width is 1, then please to 0. Okay, yeah, that's right. A bit loony, yeah. Good night, Edwin. Clock. It's a different format. It's completely mixed. The camera and LCD is like super mixed. They shouldn't do it like that. Okay, let's check the registers. User rec, miscellaneous configuration, signal configuration, register. Okay, let's see. Divider, clock, cam, LCD clock count, idle edge, out edge. Okay, this is the explanation. Then we, if you have 20 bad lines, can you? Oh, yes, I could. No, I can't because it starts to be bad at the vertical sync. And the vertical sync is always like a constant It's not like the pixel data is bad. The sync is bad, and it will be always bad at the beginning of the frame. And either I find a flag to take in the front porch, or I need to like use this VGA as it is and generate my signals by myself. Which be all right, it can work, but I wouldn't, it's wasted memory, and we are only back to 14 bits for that. Or we can do 15 bits. Some duct tape. Yeah, Ravel, yes. Man, this is like a super old meme. Where are you coming from? From the past? I used that like 7, 8, 9 years ago, that meme. I tried a VSync, but the water kept running out. Moin, Dragon. There won't be anything with VSync here anymore. Me do see. Okay, porch. Let's look for porch. The horizontal blank front porch of a frame. The vertical blank front porch of a frame. No, it's only two. I might have seen something like this is. C6? Thread stuff in it? What kind of thread stuff is there? Oh, that's something else. That's like a different tear. Oh, okay, yeah. Dummy lines. Yeah, but then, oh, you mean we do like black, only black, 20 lines of. You cheat. We will lose the resolution, but it's all right. We can try that. But let me turn it on, and then we can try. Wait. Cinematic. I would say it's like 60. How many pixels are these? Okay. If y is shorter than, let's say, 128. No, that's too much. 64. Come on, let's do 64. Then do a different stuff. Zero. This is not optimized, so please don't judge me. Yeah, we don't see the bottom line, so I will just keep it like that. Oh, but this is a good test if it syncs on the pixel data or it syncs on the sync signal. It doesn't want to talk to the port. Make a zebra instead. Okay, let me disconnect it. I'm wondering if we can do a 15-bit input-output. What is that? Why isn't it working? Somehow doesn't want to upload on this port. Yeah. Oh, come on! What is this? I try to connect directly or something's broken here. Did I start something that's... Is this... Something grabbed the I/O port. It might have been platform I/O. I closed Visual Studio Code. Let's see if it... Yeah, we don't need to save that. Nope, port doesn't exist. Let me disconnect. Oh, FPGA? No, today not. But I hope soon again. I'll be. I still have some open projects for that. Open recent. Where is my VGA purple here? Okay. Okay. It's S3. Which FPGA board? What do you mean? Okay, 1823, and now here. That's the Tang Nano 9K. There is also a 4K version with camera port. Oh, but that's not the Nano, that's the Primer. Or is there the Nano version? Wait. Huh? I can't get it programmed anymore. What is going on? Is there a port hogger? Oh, I disconnected my mouse again. Okay. Do I have a port hogger? Some sort of port hogger here. What's happening with the sports? Yeah. Nano 9K. Okay, Nano 20. Yeah. No. Okay, I don't know what's happening right now, but I can't. Oh, another failed stream. Dudes, I don't want to stream for long today. I will try something. I have to manually make the sync signals from pixels and then try like my old sync layout with the front board, which would be really bad. We need either, yeah, we need to like, no, we need to do it completely. There is a reason why there is no S3 Vga board yet. I can do anything here. Phew, I need to restart my system or something. My USB is messed up. I don't see a port hogger here. Okay, sorry dudes. I don't think if we can program right now, I will just quit because I need to go to bed as well. I'm tired. And that's it, too big of a chunk. We can discuss what I need to do. And that's basically if we have like everything in this sync, port, front, whatever, that all needs to be 0 except for the pixels, and the pixels have to be sync, back, front, like all added up. No, I can't even program right now. It won't go in programming mode. It appears here, but it won't connect. I don't know why. Yeah, no, that's not happening. Okay, so I need to change everything here and basically make even the not visible parts like pixels and then fill it with sync signals. And then we lose 2 bits of our 16 bits. Oh no. Yes, I'm using onboard USB. Somehow wait, maybe I can do, where's my GPIO 0? I have no labels on the top of the board. Push the Okay. No, Mike is not dead. Everything is all right. Okay. I set it manually to... Why do I hear myself? What's happening? I hear myself. What's happening here? Uh-oh. Who isn't muted in the TTS? Am I not muted? Everyone should be muted, including myself. Okay. Oh no, what happened? Did my battery die of my phone? No. TTS. Okay, here we go. Come on. Discord is so annoying. I can't join. Why? Okay, here we go. This is strange. Okay. Here we go. Oh, okay, it's programmed and I just need to reset. Yeah. Signal should be there. Oh. Dude, I can't do your projects. I can't even do my own project. I have such a stack. You can contact me directly over my email address, which you need to guess or find somewhere, if you want to. If you can't use Discord, then try try my email address, but really, I will set up a new space quite soon, and I have a ton of projects right now, so there's no, I don't know if I can do it. And somehow this doesn't work anymore. No signal. It says no signal. So maybe let's remove that again. Hey, Polos. Oh yeah, please tell me. Maybe you inspire me. No, it's all right. You can just put them in an email, just like in few words, and then I will try. I will think about it, and then we can talk about. Oh wait, I won't spoil it. So if I get inspired, I get inspired. Ah, okay. Somehow, come on, turn on again. No signal. I can't tell why it's not working. What did we change? Okay, I need another screen. I have no clue what's going on. Oh no, this is too short. Too short VGA cable. Oh really? Cool. I'm happy to hear that you, who is a pro, was able to gain anything from this funky streams. Yeah, that's true. And I'm glad for that. Okay, this can... Is this on? PC. Doesn't show anything. Okay. Take a screenshot. Okay, yeah, contact me after the stream, but I will go to bed quite soon. Okay, it doesn't work anymore, and I don't know why. It's not working anymore. The blinking is working of the board. So it still blinks, but VGA doesn't work anymore. But we didn't change anything here except for... Huh? Okay. I think that's the time to go to bed. Peeps, I give up. We have just failed. We should go back to one-day projects. Next time, I just do one-day projects and that's it. Old version of, yeah, if I had any like versions. Wait. Everything is commented out. Funny, funky. Lol, yeah. the what? The ESP? No, it's not the ESP. Oh man, this is. I need to go to bed. Peeps. There's nothing we can do today. There is nothing we can do. It doesn't. Wait. Is it on even? Here we go. Camera is also tired, yeah, of seeing nothing. There's the PC. Nope. Yeah, no, nothing shippable. Doesn't do anything. Doesn't like it. All right. Oh, what a failure. I don't even deserve the remaining cheese. I turn it off. Here we go. Maybe we even like cooked our bird. Doesn't do any. Is it plugged in? It should be. It's plugged in. It's plugged in. I give up for today. Peeps, that's it. Yeah, black. You know what? I will rewind my stream, and when it's working, I will just climb through the TV and grab the device and copy the code and return here. Oh no, the tomato. I ate the tomato. I have no tomato. But I have a lot of, still some bread and a lot of cheese. Okay. I don't want to show too much of the layout publicly, because there might be some people, not the people that usually watch, but there might be some people that might clone my project before I'm able to finish it, and I really don't want this. So okay. Oh, okay. So I will ship it. You give me with the email, you write me your address, I will ship you some fondue cheese. Good at failing. Okay, everyone, thank you for joining the stream. It was disappointing, as always. Oh no. Yeah, I will fix. I don't know when, but I will fix everything because I need to. I need to get something finished. Okay, yeah, good time. I enjoyed it as well. I enjoyed your presence. We had a lot of lurkers today. People love doing the graphics and the ESP stuff. Bye bye. Thanks for joining and thanks for the help. I love you all. I forgot to say that. Have a good night. Yes. Yeah, it was a short stream, but bye bye. Good night. Oh, bird cam. Oh, yeah, bird. Let me check how the bird is doing. I can see it. Ah, where's the bird monitor? The bird is sitting on the. Oh wait, I can move the bird, but I don't want to cook it. Ah, 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 the cheese. Ah, here is the bird. Bird, 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 bird. Ah, huh? Wait a minute. My camera died? When did that happen? Oh no. Oh, wait a second. My thermal camera died even before. Oh, interesting. So there might be a problem with my USB somehow. It seems like my mouse doesn't work and oh no. Ah. Okay, peeps. I give up. I give up. I just check on the okay, yeah, the bird still lives. I show you that at least here. Wait, here. Here. Yeah. Temperature is all right. So that's working. Yeah, I will just end this here. Something is going terribly wrong and I need to restart my computer. Bye bye everyone. Long streams. Yeah. Bye bye.